Morning, everybody. It's Bob Sharon again. Let's see. I'm here today, this morning. It's Monday, June 3rd. Seems like Pocono Country Place wanted to put me in a quagmire situation. Just hold the cloud over my head. So I wouldn't post anything more about them while I've been out of there. Excuse me. Been out of there for some time. And I'm still going to post. I'm still going to speak my piece. Still gonna say what I gotta say. This is pretty sad because you know, on the let's see, and he claims me of being the association attorney, then association attorney. I don't know if he's ever going to be. I don't know if he's going to be an attorney for much longer. But then at that time, the association attorney was Nicholas C. Harris, Esquire, and I guess in his brief in 2009 for a protective hearing. Called me paranoid, nonsensical on page 16 of their brief. I'm sure I have the brief somewhere, but I'm not really interested in looking it up again because it's I could care less what they do or say. I could care less what they do, but not what they say. I could care less. Yeah, you just inflame the situation, and it is consistent with the treatment of the plaintiffs at Pocono Country Place, Inc. Pocono Country Place Property Owners Association, Inc. It's consistent with the treatment of the plaintiffs towards the defendants since at least 2005. Number one, you don't have a degree in psychiatry or psychology, and number two, I took a psychological evaluation, which you know, even the evaluator said that I had high level of intelligence, above average intelligence, and my high self-esteem. So, given that, I mean, that gives me some type of credibility, I think. I don't know. Excuse me. But, Peggy Cooney. To this, she called me a sad little man. I may be a sad little man, but I don't engage myself in criminal activity. You do. You guys do. You were on a board at that time. You knew about this. Everybody knew about this. You concealed it. Everybody concealed it. Everybody that was on that board of directors from that time on concealed it. You knew about it. You all knew about it. You concealed it. Why? Why would you do something like that? Why would you involve yourself in criminal activity? I don't get it. I don't get it. It's out in the open now. I would imagine the FBI is going to get my complaint today, tomorrow, the Supreme Court, the Court of Judicial Discipline, the disciplinary council of the Supreme Court, disciplinary board of the Supreme Court, and what's the other one? House of Representatives, for impeachment purposes, and charges filed. There are going to be charges filed, because I'm going to push and push and push this thing, and I don't care. And if PA, you don't want to do your job, I'll go to the feds. Sure as I'm here right before you, I will push and push and push and push. Okay? Because there not only is this, but there is repetitive behavior. Okay? A pattern of conduct. Okay? And the pattern of conduct is that you and yours have been harassing me. Let's not forget about the felony, about recording the conversation, which you bought, as far as I'm concerned, you bought pizza ovens from a 17-year-old kid. $45,000 worth of piece of equipment for $5,000 from a 17-year-old kid. Never seen a bill of sale. Never seen anything. Not only that, you gave a check. You gave a $5,000 check to a board member, which is against the statutes of PA. You say you don't care if he sold it for a dollar or a dime or whatever it was, and pocketed the rest of the money, a board member. That's way against the statutes. You buy another board member's truck for $15,000. That's in it for your own. That's let's see. When I said Mark is in it for themselves, yeah, because they got 15 grand for that piece of junk. Where is it now? Let's see. A slew of other things. A slew of other things. But you know, unfortunately, this packet right here, you sign your own death warrant. That's pure and simple. I don't know how you're going to deal with this, Attorney Harris. I don't know how you're going to deal with this, Pocono Country Place. I don't know how you're going to deal with this, Stuart Rosenbaum, Esquire. I don't know how you're going to deal with this, Judge Zulik. I don't know how you're going to deal with this, Judge Margaret Worthington, and the rest of the judges in Monroe County Courthouse, which were notified and did nothing. Purely against the canon rules. Strictly against the canon rules. Strictly against the rules of professional conduct for attorneys. I don't know what you're going to do. And you know what? I don't care. I don't care. You belong in jail. You belong off the bench. You belong not as attorneys. And a Pocono Country Place, I feel sorry for you. Because in concert with them, you destroyed my life. My house, my family, my kids. Yeah, in concert. So that kind of hurt is irreparable damage. It's irreparable damage. Okay? Irreparable. Not repairable. None. Can't be repaired. I hope you're laughing. I hope you had all these laughs over the years. I hope you enjoyed your good time, because your good times ended. They're done. You wanted to quagmire me? Not so. You're not going to quagmire me. And I could care less. What happens now? Phyllis Haas, you know. Let's see, who else? Harry Williams, Cali Kidd, to mention a few. Cindy Ramirez on the board, Vinny Massaro, you know what? Doesn't matter, because I don't care. You're all involved. You're all involved. Not one of you's made a statement contrary to what they were doing. Nothing. None of you did that. Robert Kirk. None of you. None of you put it in writing. You object to this. None of you within that time. Up to present. And that, my friends, is crucial. Crucial. But, so, as we progress in this, and I'm not done yet. This is only phase one. This is only phase one. So, I hope you had a good laugh. You enjoyed watching me go down the tubes. I hope you did, because this is my comeback. I'll never retain what I did. Never. But, I'm going to try to make my life as whole as I can. And, you are all responsible parties. Pocono Country Place. You residents, you board members, you employees. I don't care. You're all involved. You're all involved. So, as I try to regain my life back, have another laugh, because it's going to be your last. Thank you. This is to a Pocono Country Place from Bob Sharon. I'm out.